Create your first AI project in 10 minutes. Don't waste your money on multiple AI tools. Get the all-in-one subscription with Galaxy.ai. ChatGPT, Claude, Nano Banana, Veil 3.1, all for one low monthly price. It's what I use, and you should too. Let's get into today's topic and create your first AI project in under 10 minutes. Most people are using AI completely wrong. They use ChatGPT or another AI tool, type in one vague sentence, and get a mediocre answer back. And then they decide that the AI isn't useful at all, and they quit. But people are getting incredible results with AI doing something different, treating AI like an assistant that they can train and guide. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your first real AI project step by step, even if you've never used AI before. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use AI to generate ideas, create marketing content, build an actual project in just minutes. In the last video, we covered the basics of AI and how prompting works. Now we're going to take it a step further and actually build something useful. And instead of bouncing between 10 different AI tools, we're going to use Galaxy.ai because it keeps everything in one place and makes it much easier for beginners. Let's jump in. We're going to build a real project. Let's pretend we own a coffee shop. Let's name it Sunrise Coffee. And we want to create social media content to attract more customers and visibility into our business. So our goal is simple. Create a week of social media content for our coffee shop using AI. Let's go into our All Tools. And we're going to go onto our Chat with AI feature. And we're going to pick the model that we want. So we're going to choose Claude Sonnet 4.6. Anthropic Claude Sonnet 4.6. Now, what you don't want to do is to give it some generic command like, give me marketing ideas. It's not going to know what to do with that. You got to give it more context. So here's the prompt. Help me create a simple social media strategy for a modern coffee shop in Austin, Texas named Sunrise Coffee. And we are targeting college students and young professionals aged 18 to 40. Now let's run it. And you can immediately see it gave us some ideas on what platforms we should focus on. It's telling you Instagram and TikTok should be your primary focus because that's where you're going to reach that age audience, ages 18 to 40. That's where those customers are going to be at. And when you scroll down, it even gives you a calendar, what to do each day of the week. On Monday, motivational content. Tuesday, product spotlight. Show your signature latte or seasonal drink. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every day has a specific item you should be posting and a topic for it. If you go on further, it's going to give you your content pillars. Let's see, it picked 4 pillars for us. It goes show the art of making the coffee, how it's made reels, the culture, and lean into the Austin, Texas theme. Talk about your community. Talks about your visual identity guidelines. So it's going to be like your brand kit, your color palette, the aesthetic, the typography, photo style, video styles, what hashtags you should use, your growth tactics, types of promotions you could use, happy hour or study hour for the college kids. So you can see it clearly gave us some good ideas and a place to start. Now, the next thing we want to do, let's go ahead and create a Facebook ad. So we're going to stay in the same chat because it remembers the conversation, but it's got some context of what we're trying to do and who we're trying to market to. And we're going to type, write a Facebook ad for our coffee shop. Write a Facebook ad for our coffee shop, Sunrise Coffee, promoting our buy one, get one free iced coffee special for students. One thing to note here, Claude does not create images, so we're going to have to go do another tool for that. That's part of the power of using this platform that gives you multiple tools in one place. Let's press enter. And this is basically going to be like your prompt that we're going to paste in and do another tool. That's going to create the actual image for the Facebook ad for us. Okay, let's just pick this first one here. Put it into there. You can select the model you want to choose. We're going to use Nano Banana 2. You have these other options though, like GPT Image 1.5, Ideogram, and SeedStream. But let's go back and let us click. Let's double check Facebook image ad size. So it says the recommended Facebook ad size is 1080 by 1080, 1:1 ratio. That's what I want. I want the 1:1, and that's what it picked for us. So there we go. We're going to click generate. We didn't change this here number of designs too, so it's going to give me 2 options to pick from. And we'll just wait a minute for that to generate. Okay, and here we are. These are actually pretty good. Look, buy one iced coffee, get one free, students only. Hey, Austin students, Sunrise Coffee is hooking you up. Show your student ID for free iced coffee when you buy one. Surviving finals is better with a friend. Come in and caffeinate. Limited time only. I will say the other cool thing is if you're a small business and you don't want to pay for ads or you can't afford ads, let's say you have a following on your social media pages already, you could just put this on your social media for free and get more traffic to come into your store. But staying on that topic of social media, though, we're going to go back to our other screen and we're going to continue with the conversation we were having before. I'm going to ask it for 30 days of content that we can post, and we'll see what it gives us. Here's the prompt we have. Create a 30-day Instagram content plan for June 2026 for our coffee shop. Show who we are, what we sell, and how we display our Texas values in our community. Go. And here it is. It's going day by day, telling us what we're supposed to post every single day. So should it be a reel? Should it be a carousel? Should it be a single image? Should it be a story? Then I'm going to take it one step further and ask it for a downloadable file with this 30-day calendar plan. Okay, let's see if that works. I put, give me this 30-day content plan in a downloadable Excel file. I'm going to have to wait for a minute for that to process. If you're not sure if it's frozen or if it's still thinking, look on the bottom right here. It'll have this cancel button. So basically, you can click the stop button and it'll stop thinking. But as long as it has a little square there, it's still thinking and giving you an answer. Okay, here we go. It's now completed. It's going to give us a link where we can click download file. And let's see. Oh, there it is. Let's open it up in our Excel. You can also ask for a Google Sheets format if you don't have Excel. You just have to specify in your prompt what type of file you want. It can do PDF, Word file, Excel, and Google Sheets are the ones that I've used. Here you go. You have a full content calendar, formatted and everything with the colors and the theme, what hashtags you should use, what your call to action should be. Yeah, this is great. It goes through every day of the month, June 24th, 25th. Here's your 30-day content plan. So this is extremely useful. And if you want to take it a step further, you can go under the tool search and say, is there any Instagram posting tools? And there is. There's an AI Instagram post generator. So I'm just curious to see what this looks like. I'm going to ask you a few questions here. We can actually use the content plan. Okay, target audience 18 to 40. What's your post about? Coffee shop in Austin, Texas. Named Sunrise Coffee. We're more than a coffee shop. We're your morning ritual, your study spot, and your third place, Austin, Texas. Target audience 18 to 40. Key hashtags. Let's go back to our sheet and get those. Okay, we have Sunrise Coffee, ATX, Austin Coffee, new coffee shop, and tone of voice. Let's go friendly. Let's go for 4 examples. We're going to click generate and wait for that. So it looks like all this tool does is give us the text here. See, I was kind of hoping to generate some images, but it did not do that. It kind of just put the different text and hashtags together. We're just going to paste in what the other tool already gave us, our prompt of our post, and we're going to click make this better. We'll see what it comes up with. It'll usually improve your prompt, add more detailed words, add a little more context to it. Okay, it gave us 4 options to choose from. Okay, let's just choose this first one here. And then we're going to click generate 2 images. It'll give us 2 variations. There you have it. Here's the first one. It looks pretty good. It's very like cinematic looking, or like a studio photo. And here's the second one. See, they're pouring a nice latte there. It's like a warm morning sunshine coming in through the window. Yeah, those are pretty good images as far as quality is concerned. Now, that may not be your actual coffee shop. There's other tools where you can feed an image into it to use as a reference, and then they can add elements or remove elements to that picture. And that's it for today, guys. It's only been 10 minutes, and we have a full 30-day content plan. We have Facebook ads or images that we can use for our posts. We have an image generator to create pictures for our social media posts. This is a very powerful tool, guys. If you're interested in learning about Galaxy AI, check out the link in the description below. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.